Alright, robot, just for the pure joy of it, I'm going to check this to make sure it's getting the right amount of power. It should be, because I hooked it up and it's been working right, but just to be absolutely sure it's getting just enough, I'm going to check it. I'm going to satisfy my own lust for knowledge here. In case you decide to try this, keep in mind that it's really dangerous and it will kill you if you do it just wrong. I'm going to not do it wrong. Here's my Harbor Freight multimeter. It's going to be set on AC volts. Alright, here we go. Let's check black to light. 125, we're cool. Let's check black to red. 120, 123 to 125, 124, we're cool. So that's 248 volts, aka 250. Looks like we're cool. So we did that right at least. Alright. Do something else in a minute. Alright, I'm checking the continuity of my motor now. This is my, basically this is an ohm meter. These two connected together should give me 0 ohms because there's a correct connection. So I got 1.4 or something. That's not terrible. So here's this pin at the top here, according to the diagram which is on here, is one of my hot ones. And these two pins here are my neutral and my other one, 15 amp and L2. So I'm going to see if I've got continuity on these. This one here, I have 1.3 ohms, which is, if I get a little bit, that's not terrible. I'm not saying that that's bad. And this one here is like 12 ohms, which means I don't have a very good connection. Rather, I do. I have resistance. So I have a little bit of resistance here. And this is pin, this is my 15 amp to 15 amp. And this is my 15 amp to L2, my high speed, and that's 12 ohms. But in none of these cases do I actually have 0. And I shouldn't have any. This is my ground. I shouldn't have any connection on that one at all. And I don't. So there's my continuity. The only question I've got is, should that be that high? Or should it be less than 12? This one here is 0.8, and this one here is 12. And then this is the circuit that's going through the wiring of the pump right now. Alright, so much for that. See this cover? And behind it is the thermocouple, which I think is this thing, and the pressure switch, which I think is this thing. I'm going to take this out and test the continuity. Void if removed. Well, I'm not going to remove it. I'm just going to test it. And I'm going to pull this little plug here. So according to logic, with this water in this unit, I should be getting even if the pump off with the water in the unit, if I connect red and black together, I should be getting no signal. And there's my ohm meter. It says 1, which means there's no circuit. This is an ohm meter. Now I'm going to turn the pump on carefully. See what happens. By the way, just for edification, this is wired correctly for 240, which is what this is. I'll be back in a second after I turn this thing on. Now, if I did this right, I should be getting continuity between red and black. There it is. No continuity. Between red and green. No continuity. Oh, gotta turn it on. It is on. No continuity.